Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress database full guide. Start by exporting a complete database backup using phpMyAdmin or a command line miscldump. Then verify file integrity before making any changes. Always work on a staging copy to prevent downtime, and document each SQL change with timestamps and brief descriptions to enable easy rollback if needed. Include regular automated backups, monitor performance, and set strict user privileges to reduce risk. To connect reliably, check DB host, DB name, DB user, and DB password in wp-config. PHP and test locally before deploying. Use TLS where supported and restrict access by IP to harden security. Confirm character set and collation to avoid encoding issues, and verify user privileges, limit operations to needed tasks only. Automate connection checks in deployment scripts, and log failed attempts for troubleshooting and auditing of database access. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content and updates. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a neat little pick while we tweak databases. Check the description for the link and other deals and know it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Perform common SQL tasks carefully. Run select queries with limit and explain to inspect performance before mass changes. Use prepared statements or parameterized queries to eliminate SQL injection risks and validate all inputs. When updating rows, batch operations in manageable chunks and monitor locks and slow queries. Regularly optimize tables, add appropriate indexes, and run analyze to keep query planning efficient and predictable across traffic spikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.